Hello everybody, my name is Steve Garces, and today I am going to show you how to embed a free online game to your website. I like to use silvergames.com, as you can see up on the left. I already have it up on my screen. As you can see, there are different types of games, all kinds of racing games, puzzle games, and new games that you can select from. Okay, if you scroll down to the bottom, there is an embedded games tab. Okay, I need you to click on it, and the site tells you how to embed a game. Okay, there you see the instructions there. It'll tell you how to click on an image, copy the embedded code, go to the webpage, blog forum, and paste the game with the embedded code. Okay, so we're going to do that. Alright, because I have a site dedicated to cryptids and paranormal, I'm going to look for my Bigfoot type of game in the search bar. As you see, the results aren't very, we don't have a lot of results. So I think I'm going to go with this Yeti Sensation right there. So I'll click on it. At the right side, the last item is Webmaster, and add this game to your web page. Okay. Once that screen comes up, I click on the link and see the embedded code and the two different ways to copy. Okay. I want to use the embedded code, so you can either use the Control-C or you can right-click and copy. Alright, once that is done, you're going to go to your Weebly account in the edit mode. Now, I already have my Weebly account up, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and go into the edit mode, which we're already there. And I want the game to have its own page. So I will click on Pages, and then click on the plus sign to add another page. Okay, I will make it a standard page, and I'm going to give it the name Yeti Sensation Game. Okay. Alright, once I do it, I'm going to click Done. Alright, then I'm going to click Build to build your page. You will see the box labeled Embedded Code, and drag it into the area. Make sure you use Control-V to embed the code. Okay, once that's done, publish, and you have added a fun game to your Weebly website.